Hello, it's a new week. Today's Monday, so that means that we have some new spelling words this week. Just like the last couple weeks, we're going to be working on some most common words, and then some short vowel words, and some words that follow the CK spelling rule. This is the last week that we're going to be focusing on these things. Next week, we're going to switch to some blends in our spelling test. But we'll always have most common words, which is what we're going to talk about today. So our most common words this week are do, your, there, and said. These are all heart words that we've talked about during our Reading and Horizons instruction. There actually has a poster on the back bulletin board that you can look at. So first, let's just review why the words are heart words and which part of the word doesn't follow the rule. So do is a word that actually should say do, because in phonetics skill 3 it says if you have a consonant followed by a vowel with no guardian consonants, that means that this should be a long O. And it's not a long O, so it's actually makes a long U sound, do, instead of do. So the heart's going to go around the O. Remember, on your spelling test, you do not have to write this mark above. You just have to write the word do and then heart the O, for that's the part that you have to memorize by heart. Our next most common word or heart word is your. So the Y just says yeah, like normal. But O-U-R should say our. So it should be your. But it's your, because this O-U-R here that makes the heart sound, or that the heart's around, actually says or. So it's ya, or, not ya, our. So you want to heart that hour and remember that it makes the or mark. Our next words are the their spellings. Now these are called homophones because they sound the same, but they look different and they mean different things. So this there means a place. So that's why there's a little arrow by the R in the middle. It has E-R-E, and it's pointing to remind you that this there is a place. And we're going to heart the E-R-E because it says air. And really, this E down here should make this E say its name. So it should be the ear. But it's not there, it's the air. So you're going to heart the E-R-E. And remember that the there that is spelled with E-R-E means over there. It means a place. And then our next there starts with TH again, so the TH in both words say th, but this there means a person, something that belongs to a person. So this is their couch or their house. So it's E-I-R, and the I has the person drawn on it. Remember that this is referring to something that belongs to a person. But the E-I-R makes the air sound just like this one. So really, this should be a long E too, because if you have two vowels that are next to each other, phonetic skill 5 says that it says the long vowel of the first one. So it should be the ear, and it's not the ear. So it's there. So we're going to heart the E-I-R. Then our last word is said. Said is should follow phonetic scale 5 as well, where it has two vowels next to each other. So the two vowels next to each other means the first vowel would say A, so it should be said, but it's not said, it's said. So we're going to heart the A-I because it makes an ed sound. So it makes an like a short E sound. So really, it's not the ed sound, it's really just the short E sound that said makes. Okay, those are your most common words and how you spell them. So today for your assignment with spelling, you're going to write each of these words 5 times. So let me make this sheet just a little smaller if I can. There we go. Now if you want to hit pause on your video, you need to write do 5 times with a heart around the O, your 5 times with a heart around the O-U-R, there 5 times with a heart around the E-R-E, there 5 times with a heart around the E-I-R, and said 5 times with a heart around the A-I. You don't have to worry about the correct sound that it's making above, as long as you do the word and the heart. Also remember that we're practicing good handwriting on this one. Okay, good luck with your spelling. Hit pause and it will stay on the screen until you're done writing your words.